गोमंत विद्यानिकेतनाक 100 वर्सां पुराय जाल्ले निमतान 3 दिसांचो महोत्सव दवरला। शुक्रारा 9 नोव्हेंबरा सावन हो महोत्सव सुरू जातलो। तशेंच निकेतनाचे नव्यान बांदिल्ले बिल्डिंगेचें उक्तावण जातलें। 8 कोटी मोडून निकेतनाची नवी बिल्डिंग बांदल्या आनी तातूंत 3 हॉल आनी लायब्ररी आसा।
45 वर्सांनी आमी 8 कोटी रुपया मोडून ही बिल्डिंग परत रिनोवेट केल्या, रिपेर केल्या आनी हातूंत 3 ऑडिटोरियम आसात। एक मेन ऑडिटोरियम जे आसा ते 500 सिटांचे, दुसरे आमी एक मिनी एम्फी थिएटर केला 175 सिटांचे आनी ताजे नंतर वयर एक कॉन्फरन्स हॉल केला जो 150 सिटां। त्या भायर सकयल लायब्ररी आसा, हांगा रिफरन्स लायब्ररी आसा। लायब्ररीचें रिनोवेशन आमी आनी एक वर्सान करतले। ती लायब्ररी मल्टीलिंग्वल लायब्ररी। आमकां जो 8 कोटी खर्च आयलो तातूंतले 4.5 कोटी आमी देणग्यांतल्यान जमयले आनी तातूंत 1 कोटी आमकां 100 वर्सां पूर्ण जाल्ल्यान गव्हर्मेंटान ग्रँट दिवपाक थारायला। आनी ह्या देणग्यां मदीं सगळ्यांत चड देणगी म्हणजे इंडोकोचे चेअरमॅन सुरेश बाब कारे हांणी 1 कोटी दिला आनी ताजे विशीं कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करपाक आमी जो मेन हॉल आसा तो गोविंद बाबा कारे ऑडिटोरियम म्हणून ताजें नामकरण करतले। दुसरो जो डोनर आसा आमचो तो फॉमेंटो ग्रुपाचो अब्दुल बाब तिबलो, ताणें 75 लाख आमकां दिल्यात। त्या खातीर एम्फी थिएटर जें आसा ताजें आमी नामकरण फॉमेंतो एम्फी थिएटर अशें करतले। नानाबाब बांदेकर, नारायण बांदेकर हांणी 30 लाख आमकां दिल्यात। म्हणटकीर कॉन्फरन्स हॉल जो आसा तो नारायण आर बांदेकर कॉन्फरन्स हॉल अशें ताजें नामकरण आमी करतले।
आतां पळोवया गोंयांतल्या हेर वाठारांतल्यो घडामोडी।
सीएम म्हणटा ही जी पळय स्कीम आसा ती सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटा स्कीम आसा, ते सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान ऑलरेडी फंड बंद केले आहा, म्हणटा ही स्कीम तो चलोवंक शकना म्हणटा। जितले पळय पोस्ट आय GRS जावं PO जावं इंजिनियर यांचो रीएडवर्टायजमेंट तो करतलोच म्हणटा आनी रीएडवर्टायजमेंट करून तुमी सगळ्यांनी एप्लाय कराय म्हणतो आनी मागीर आपूण कन्सिडर करता म्हणटा। तो म्हणटा एज पर क्वॉलिफिकेशन रिक्रुटमेंट केलना म्हणटा। एज पर सीएमाचे उतरा प्रमाणे तो सांगता रिक्रुटमेंट सारकी जालना म्हणून आपूण रीएडवर्टायजमेंट करता म्हणटा। आनी थर्ड पॉयंट आमी मॅसेंजरा बाबतींत विचारलें तो मॅसेंजर म्हणटा ह्या स्किमी अंडर नाय, तांकां आपूण घेवंकूय शकना। तांकां आनी एक 2 म्हयन्यांनी आपूण एक मॅन पॉवर डेव्हलपमेंट सेल करता आनी तितून घेवपाक आपूण ट्राय करता म्हणटा।
मी आज या ठिकाणी जाहीरपणे सांगू इच्छितोय मनोहर पर्रीकर की या 3-4 हरामखोर काँग्रेसवाल्यांना तुम्ही कधी जेलमध्ये टाकता आहात? बांधवांनो लक्षात ठेवा, हे लाचारीपणा सोडा आणि कणखरपणे उभे राहा तुम्ही। आणि जर तुम्ही या शिवसेनेच्या मागे उभं राहाल तुम्हाला सच्च न्याय दिल्याशिवाय शिवसेना राहणार नाही।
ऑफिस ना त्याचा एक बदल फुडें केल्लो आसा। आमचे नगरपालिकेची सुद्दां म्हाका शोभा आयिल्ली आसा थंय तांकां
पोरूंचो सीझन बोटाचे दुखापतीक लागून चुकिल्लो पूण आतां पुराय फिट शादाब जकाती नवे रणजी सिझना खातीर तयार जाला। कोच दोड्डा गणेशान टिमी कडच्यान बरेपैकी प्रॅक्टीस करून घेतल्या। शुक्रारा सावन परवरे जावपा आशिल्ले जम्मू काश्मीरा आड मॅची जैतान नवे सिझनाची सुरवात करतले असो हावेस शादाबान उक्तायला।
It's really good to see Shadab Jagadi completely fit, completely recovered from that finger injury horror, we can say. Shadab really excited and very hungry to go out there and play the Ranji Trophy.
Definitely, I'm looking forward for this season. Actually, it was disappointing missing out on the last year, but yeah, things are looking good. I've started bowled in the practice games about 30 overs, felt good. So yeah, I'm getting it there, feeling nice.
So new coach this time, I mean, not entirely new. When he was there and you were there, go ahead made it to semis of plate group. So the dressing room feeling confident that Dodda can take you all back to that position.
Obviously, everyone is looking good. You know, we have been training very hard. The practice games, match simulation matches, the training has been, you know, having purpose practice and all. So he's been working hard with the boys. You know, Doda has been with us before, and you know, he has brought a lot of good results to the team, and hopefully, you know, we can repeat it this year as well. And obviously, everyone is, you know, aware of their own jobs in the team. So that's what we are working on it, and hopefully, you know, we can deliver on the field this year.
It's a long season, 8 games to play, so at some point in time fitness is going to be a really key aspect. So how is the entire bunch working on fitness?
Yeah, that's a important thing, you know, fitness, because we'll be playing 8 games. That is like 32 days in the span of just 45-50 days, and plus we're going to be traveling and all. So that is one area, you know, where we are more concerned about, you know, especially with the bowlers. And but they have been working hard in the pre-season. Those couple of months they have really worked hard in the gym with the training, and Doda has, you know, had specifically had that training programs for the bowlers, for the batsmen, everything. So everyone is looking good. The support staff has been, you know, helping a lot to the players. The overall the whole team is really looking good.
And 2 new recruits, professional recruits in Manvinder Bisla and Ravikant Shukla, both could be very key players for Goa, isn't it?
Definitely, you know, we have strengthened our batting. You know, that batting has been concern before for our team. So hopefully we have, you know, planned this year, and you know, made the batting very tough and good for the team, and especially with their experience. Shukla has played for UP, and with Bisla coming in, obviously, you know, there will be a lot of experience coming, and so it's overall it's a good combination of the team. And definitely, you know, if we can put it on the field, you know, give our good efforts and give your best, things will fall in place.
You'll be playing first match at home, so a winning start would be the perfect thing for all of you.
Definitely, we'll be looking to win the game. You know, obviously Jammu has lost the first game to Jharkhand, and it will be nice to start on a winning note, and that's how we are preparing ourselves, that we'll be entering on the ground on a winning note. So definitely we'll be looking to win the match. Yeah.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमचे www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान ह्या खबरांचेर हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.